place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave.
We
Had to find a
had
way to
discussion
change.
work, like
Had to
we have
leave
been
to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things.
Hi guys, so actually electricity has not been on since morning, and tomorrow I happen to actually have my internal examinations. Actually tomorrow I'm having medicine one, a paper for medicine one, but internals. Then I'm also having gynecology, and I've been reading almost the whole day. Actually, the other news I want to tell you guys is that, okay, not news, but actually an update. I actually eventually did get a lady who actually helps me now to wash. So today morning she came in, not today morning actually, yesterday evening she came in, and we agreed on the time, the money, and all that other stuff. So today morning she was able to do all the laundry very absolutely well. I actually did appreciate her a lot. Like every piece of cloth, it's well washed and cleaned, and she actually also did lay out all the clothings very well on the, you know, the hanger line. So guys, currently I want to show you what I'm doing. I've been reading the whole day. I don't know if I did mention already. So this is my desk going on over here. I'll just flip the camera for you guys to be able to see very absolutely well. Yes, I'm reading, nothing much. As I told you, there is no electricity, so I'm reading in the dark. This is gynecology, and this is my summary. Actually, I would love to show you what we have been doing with my fellow student nurses, my group members. So this is our file, tanyanishailoc discussion work 2021-2022, year 2, semester 1, medicine, pharmacology, pediatrics, palliative care, surgery 1, gynecology. So this file, we have all our discussion work, like we have been discussing all the work we have discussed for this semester with my fellow nursing students and my fellow midwives, you know, nursing. Okay, my fellow student midwives, if that makes sense. Currently, I want to move out. I want to go to a nearby supermarket over here. I want to pick up a new deodorant. I have to pay I have to pay some things that I did get yesterday, but I did not have the change. So I want to go get that change, pay those, pass by the supermarket, get a new deodorant, want to get some snacks, a bunch of them, because in this house there is no food, and throughout next week I'm not cooking, I'm not touching the stove anyhow. Not anyhow, but anyways, you know, because I'm going to be very busy. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, examinations are ending on Thursday. Thursday I'm having practical paper, you know, internal practical paper that will be, I think, in the morning or mid-morning, something like that. Then maybe Friday I'll be very free to go in and cook and all that other day. So currently I'm moving out, and yeah, I'm going to just grab my wallet, grab the keys, close this place, and I'm out. This is the bad thing that actually I don't love about electricity, guys. This place is dark, but I need to grab a mask. I can't go out without a mask. It is so dark. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's grab one from these.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. go, change my fate. You won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Hi guys, so actually I've just done this simple eyeshadow tutorial. I think I'll be doing a video about it after school, after these examinations, but actually I love how it does look like, guys. I was actually in my break, then I decided that let me do a simple eyeshadow kind of look. But I just love the way how this turned out. It actually looks so beautiful, simple. I'm in for it. But anyway, currently I am done with reading. Currently it's around 4:35, 4:75, somewhere there. I think it's already above 4:40, something like that. Currently I want to be taking a bath. I want to clean this place, organize my kind of wardrobe for next week, for the whole of next week. I love to prep all my clothing, like prep everything, to make sure that I have a baseline that I'm working with. So I'm going to be organizing that. And yeah, so currently I'm going to just go in, organize this place, organize that desk, organize this place over here, also organize this place behind me, take a bath. And I don't know, guys, if I'm going to be showing you, but anyway, I might not show you because I just feel like I want everything to just be quick, fast. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Actually, the main reason why even I've put down the camera, it is one or two. Oh, actually, let me just mount you guys on a tripod. When I went to Corn Supermarket, I actually want to show you everything that I did buy. So the first thing that actually I did pick up was this fog. Please concentrate. The first thing I did pick up, it was this fog deodorant, men's deodorant. I think it goes back to last year. Last year I did do a video, guys, talking about how I was very obsessed with men deodorant. They are very strong. I think I did a routine on how to get rid of bad odor. The video, I'm gonna be leaving it in my description box below. Hopefully you can go buy that. But they never had the wash me for men that I usually do buy. And I never wanted to travel to that place, to another place. So I just said, you know what, I'm going to just settle in for this. And the guy that actually was working on that particular counter, I'm trying to properly put my camera. But anyway, the guy who was working on the counter recommended me this and told me that I might like it because a lot of his customers actually, they do love it. So I'm very pumped to actually use this and see the results, how it is, if that makes sense. This was 6,500 kakaga bitano. Then the other thing I did buy, they were these pens. I actually bought a bunch of them. This is how they do look like. These are the Nataraj eye tip pens going on over here. One of these days, I've been so obsessed with using these Nataraj pens. Nevertheless, the other Nataraj pens for 500, I love them, but they no longer give me that same ache that they used to give me, if that makes sense. So I want to give you an update. So the lady actually did finish washing the clothing, and some of them are dry, so it's again my time to go in and fold. Those are the clothing down there. So I'm gonna be also going in, fold those. Okay, so you guys, actually, I am done with laying my bed. Currently, it's time to throw on some throw. I love to call them throws. Over are they throws? But I have recently two of them. So this one, I don't know if I mentioned, but my mom got me this, and I also have this, but I think I didn't mention in one of the vlogs. I also have this one. It has such a beautiful beige pattern going on over here. I absolutely love this one, and this one is actually more softer than the other one. But I've been recently very obsessed actually with having a lot of colors on my bed, because if you don't know, laying my bed is therapy to me, and I just love it so freaking much. But I think today I'll just leave on this, I think today I'll just leave on this. Let's put it in the middle of my bed, just like that. So I usually use these ones, such throw blankets or throw sheets on my bed, especially when I'm reading, I'm on internet, watching videos. Omanyi kifaanagana nga biri bye twasuula. Well, thank you very much, you guys, for watching today's video, today's vlog. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. It has actually just dawned on me that I never did the finishing part of the vlog, and I was just here actually filming another video that you are going to be seeing within this week. Yes, but I want to thank you very absolutely much for watching to this particular point in time. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of shorter vlogs. I feel like I want to start doing shorter vlogs because I just feel like, it's a new year and we have already hit our watch hours, we're already monetized, we are making money on YouTube. I used to do those longer videos because actually I was, on that thing of watch time, but that is done. Let me know what you think of shorter vlogs. I would be very, very down to actually give you shorter vlogs within these first few months of the year. Thank you very much for watching. Let me meet you in my next vlog. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now. Before guys I go, I want to show you this beautiful shirt. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at how beautiful and sleeky this thing looks like. Actually, this my sister got me when she came to visit over, and we recorded a bunch of videos. So I'm gonna be watching those videos throughout this week. Okay, bye.